Alright, there's a couple of different ways that you can import video into iMovie. The easiest way is to, if you come down here to this tab here and click over to your camera icon, it's going to switch to your webcam. And what you can do is click record with iSight and record video directly from your webcam. I'm going to go ahead and switch back now, and if you come up to File and click Import, from here you can import different types of video files. I'm going to click an AVI file and import that there, and it's going to show up over here in my clips along with the video I just recorded on my webcam. You can also, if you just go to a folder, you can also just click and drag and drop as well. And once you have your clips in, what you can do is you can click, and if you hit play here, it's going to give you a preview of that clip. And also another thing you can do is if you double click that clip, you can come down and get some more info about the clip, and you can also rename it. I'm going to click set, and that's how you import files into iMovie.